Good. Remember here, when you want to maintain these two, what should we add so that the number should remain the same?
1.
Because I want to have -2 without changing the meaning, without changing it.
Teacher.
Yes?
I think when you're removing the one from the -2, the 2 becomes more negative. It becomes -3.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Members, have you heard what she said?
Yes.
Because you are removing a negative, you are removing a number from a negative, which means the number become more what?
Negative.
More negative. Because you are bored. It's like if I have -2, if I take away 1 again, what do you get? You get negative what?
3.
-3. So I'm taking 1 away from a negative. The number become more what? More what? Members, the number becomes more what? Negative. So now, which means here we're supposed to have negative what? Negative what? -3. -3 minus -4. Now we get a positive what? We get a positive. Members, what do we get? We get a positive what? A positive 1. A positive 1. So which means this is supposed to be 1.7027. Good. So which means here is supposed to be to the power what? Here is supposed to be to the power 1. Members, let me hope you are following me.
Yes.
So now if it's to the power 1, which means it's going to be 5.043 times what? Times the 10, which will give us what? It will become 50. It will become 50.4 what? 0.43. Good. 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 Are we together, members?
Yes, teacher.
So when you get a negative, when you are taking it, you are borrowed from a negative, the number become a more negative. It's like when, in a simple terms, it's like when you have a debt to pay, eh?
Yes.
Maybe someone is demanding you 5,000.
Yes.
Someone is demanding you 5,000. Now the person has come back to asking for demanding for his what? Money. Now for you at that point, maybe you don't have money. Again, you went to someone again to borrow. To what?
Borrow.
You borrow again 5,000. You borrow what? 5,000. You will pay this person, but how much will be your debt?
10,000.
Are you seeing that?
Yes.
So which means from the 2 points, because the other one will also demand you 5,000, even this person whom you have not yet paid will still demand you what? 5,000. So in total, the amount that is expected to go out is what? 10 what?
1,000.
10,000. Very good. I'm going to add only one example and then we proceed. Okay?
Yes.
That's why I said when you are dealing with these negative powers, you have to be very attentive and very careful. This number what? Number 4. Which number should we do? Let's look at number 7. Number what?
7.
The question is evaluate. Evaluate is what? Evaluate what? 0.0195 divided by 0.0015 what? 152. Let me hope everyone is back. Let me hope everyone is back now. We are people there. Members?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Are we together? Now looking, you are still eating.
No, teacher.
Not looking. Don't overeat. Don't over what?
Genda. Gojango to living to be.
Ozoma, keep quiet.
You people, what is going on?
Nothing.
We don't know.
Number standard form. What is our first number? Our first number is 0.0195. What is it in standard form, members? Is 1.95 times 10 to the power negative what? Negative what? Negative 2. So you write here 2 bar. You write what? 2 what? Bar. Point. What's the log? Log of 1.95. Log of 1.95. So what do you get? Is it? So you just write after the decimal point 2.0 what?
900.
Remember, this was the other number we did the other time and we didn't finish. Do you remember?
Yes.
So let's do it today. So the next number is what? 0.00152. So which means I'll have 1.52 times 10 to the power. What's the power? 1, 2, 3. Negative what? Negative 3. So it becomes 3 bar point. What is the log? Log of 1.52 is what? 1 what? 1.8. 1 what? 1.8. Okay?
Yes.
Is that another number?
No.
Okay. So what do? We close that one, right?
Yes.
So we are dividing the numbers. What do we do to the logarithm? We
Subtract.
So 0 minus 8, is it possible?
No.
Even here is 0. So which means we come and borrow from 9. So when we borrow from 9, we remain with 8.
8.
Here become 10. Now from here again become 9. Then this one become 10. So 10 minus 8, what do we get? We get
2.
2. Here is 9. 9 minus 1.
8.
8. 8 minus 8.
0.
2 minus 1.
1.
1. Point. Negative 2 minus negative 3. What do you get?
1.
You get a positive what?
1.
Positive 1. Positive 1. Good. So which means here we shall have times 10 to the power what? To the power 1. Then we get the antilog of 0 point. We get the antilog of
0.
Antilog of 0.1082. I think that, members? What is the answer? Is what?
1.28.
1.28 what? 3 to 3 decimal places. Okay.
Yes.
So this one is the same as 1.283 times. We said n number raised to power 10. Yeah, I mean n number raised to power 1 is that number. So which means I have times what? Times what? Times 10, which will give us, which is it? 12.8. 12.8 what? 83. So can you close that? Close that table. Close that table. So we shall have, therefore, 0.0195 divided by 0.00152 is equals to what? 12.883. Is it true? Can you prove it out? 0.0195 divided by 0.00152. Are we not correct?
Yes.
We are very
We are
correct.
correct.
We are very correct. Are you together?
Yes, teacher.
Members, have you seen how you deal with negative characteristic?
Yes.
Now let's look at combine operation, combine application. When all of them are combined together, how do we work it out? Okay? Combined multiplication, combine what? Multiplication and division. So how do you deal with them when we have both multiplication and division? Members, the rules remain the same. The rules remain what?
The same.
The rules remains the what? The same. The rules remains the what? The same. So when you are multiplying, you add. When you are dividing, you what? Members, you what? You subtract.
Subtract.
Yes. Takes note of that. Takes note of that. Let's go to examples straight. Examples. Number one. The question is, which one should we do from there? Which one should we start with, members? Which one should we start with? Is it A, B, or C?
C.
We start with C, eh?
Yes.
Okay, evaluate, comma, 0.31 times 0. What? 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, over 0.215 times 0.080 what? 2. Members, have we put it down?
Yes.
Let me move to the next page so that we have enough space for working it out. Solution. Members.
Yes, teacher.
What we are going to do here, you are going to work, you first get denominator separate, and then you work with denominator also what? Separate, then you combine them together. What? Together. Simplify, int, simplify, or evaluate, both the denominator, both the what?
Numerator.
And what?
Denominator.
And denominator separately, then later combine them together to give the final what? To give the final answer. Good. So let's start with the denominator. We start with the what?
Numerator.
So these procedures remain the same. Let's draw our table there. This time just make your table long because we have very many numbers to work on. Okay?
Yes.
So make your table a little bit long. So as usual, this is our numbers. This is our standard form. Then this is our what? Our log. So what is the first number there? The first number is we start with the denominator, not so? The first number in the denominator is what? 0.031. So what is it in standard form? 3.1 times 10 to the power negative what? Negative what?
1. Negative 1.
Negative 1.
2.
It's negative 2.
Negative 2.
So it's 2 bar point, 2 bar, point. What is log? Get for me log of what? Log of 3 point. Log of 3.1. Log of 3.1. So what do you get? Is 0 point what? So you just write 4, 9, 1 what? 1 what? 1, 4. Are you together, members?
1, 4.
Yes.
We move to the next number, which is what? Special work 0.0012 What is that one? In standard form is going to be 1.23 times 10 to the power 123.
3.
Negative what? 3. So which means it becomes 3 bar. It becomes 3 bar. Point. We get the log. What is the log? Log of 1.23.
3.
What do you get? Is it 0 point?
0,
0.08. Members, when you round off that, so it become 9. 9 what? 9 is 0. Okay?
Yes.
Let me even just show you from the log table here. The number is what?
1.23.
Let's move here. 1.2. 1.2 under 3. 1.2 under 3. I sing it there. I sing it.
Yes.
So you can see that. All right. So we are through with the denominator, not so?
Yes.
I close that one. I what?
Close.
I close this. Let's simplify this. What are we doing? We are multiplying. What do we do to them? We what? We add. We are multiplying. We add. We are multiplying. We what?
Add.
We add. So 4 plus 0.
4.
Let me write with a red pen. 4. 1 plus 9. We get 10. We write 0. This is what? 10.
10.
So 10 plus that, so we write there what? 1. We write 0, sorry. We write 0, sorry. We write 0, we carry 1, 5. Not so? So then that one becomes 5. Point. Negative 2 plus negative 3. Negative 2 plus negative 3. We get negative what? 5. So which means it's going to be 5 what? 5 bar. 5 what?
Bar.
So what we do, you come and write this one, this side here. You come and write it here. So 5 bar. I think that after writing the log, you extend it the other side. Okay? Are we together, members? You extend it what? The other side. So 5.500 what?
4.
04. I close that one also. I what?
Close.
I close that one. Then I start now what? I'm through with the what? The denominator. Okay?
Yes.
So I come to denominator. So this was our denominator. This was our denominator. Now we come to denominator. What do we have in our denominator? In our denominator we have 0.215. So when you change it to standard form, it's going to be 2.15 times 10 to the power negative 1. Negative 1. So this one become 1 bar. Become 1 what? Bar. Point. What is log of 2.15? What do you get? 0 point. So 3, 2 what?
4.
2, 4.
2, 4.
The next one is what? 0.0802. Not so? So this one will be 8.02. 8.02 times 10 to the power. How many steps? 1, 2. Negative what? Negative 2. So it become 2 bar point What is the logarithm of? What is log of 8.02? What do you get? 0. What? 904 forward. 42.
1. 42. 42.
2. Is that another number?
No.
I close this.
No.
I close this. Okay.
Yes.
Can we simplify that?
Yeah.
We are still what? Multiplying. In the denominator, we are also multiplying, not so?
Yes.
What do we do to the log?
We add.
We add. We add. Don't forget to put the sign of addition here. That's why I said you leave a space. You leave a what? A space so that you write that. So 4 plus 2.
6.
So let me write with a red pen. 6. Then 2 plus 4. That one is still 6. 3 plus 0.
3.
What say that? Someone said that. Someone said that.
No one.
3 plus 9.
12.
12. We write what?
12.
We write 2. You carry 1. Point. So which means here you will have what? Negative 1 plus 1. You will have what?
Negative 1 plus 1.
What do you get?
Negative 1 plus 1.
Is 0. Then you remain with 0. 0 plus negative 2. 0 plus negative 2.
Negative 2.
Which means you remain with 2 bar. You remain with 2 what? Bar. I close that. I what?
Close it.
I close it. I think I'm organizing my work members.
Yes.
So I write it here. I extend it here. So 2 bar, 2 what? Bar, point 2, 3, 6, 6. Have you seen that?
Yes.
Now in the numerator we have this. In the denominator we have this. What are we doing to the numbers? We are what? We are dividing, not so?
Yes.
So is it going to be numerator over what? Denominator. So what do we do to the logarithm? We are dividing. We are what? We what?
Subtract.
So we subtract. Very good. We what? We subtract. So I open that. So now what do you get there? So we subtract this one. Okay?
Yes.
So which means you are going to say 4 minus 6. I think that 4 minus what?
6.
Is it possible? Is it possible?
No.
See, this is 0. This is also 0. So this one we come and borrow from here. This one we remain with 4. This one become 10. 10. When you borrow from here, this one will remain 9. So this one become 10. Then this one remain 9. Then this one become 14. Not so?
Yes.
So 14 minus 6?
8.
8. We write our 8 there. Then 9 minus 6?
3.
3. Then 9 minus 3? 9 minus 3? 6.
6.
4 minus 2?
2.
Huh?
2.
2. Point. Okay?
2.
Negative 5. Negative what?
5.
Negative 5 minus negative 2. What do you get?
Negative 3.
7.
Negative 7?
Negative 3. Negative 3. There's a mistake.
Please take us slowly. Take us slowly. I think that members.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
I jump up to here because now this is the logarithm. This is now the what? The logarithm. Okay?
Yes.
So I jump up to the standard form. What is our characteristic from here?
Negative 3.
So which means I will write times 10 to the power negative what?
3.
Yeah.
3. Then we get the antilog of. Then we get the antilog of shift antilog of what? 0.
Wait, you're the town.
2.38.
What down?
Who is this one speaking vernacular here?
6, 3, 8.
What do you get? 1 point?
1, 8, 3, 5, 7.
1.8, 3,
3, 6.
7. 37. 1.3,
6.
36. Supposed to be 6, right?
Yes.
Yes.
The number is now to the power 3, to the power negative 3, which means we are dividing by the number, that number by what? By 1,000. Okay? So which means it's the same as 1 point. Members, are you seeing that? 1.836 is the same as divide by what? 1 what?
1,000.
What do you get? What is that number? Are you seeing that?
Yes.
You still give us back. So which means it's too big. The calculator has just converted direct to scientific form. The negative is from here. The negative is from here. The negative is from here, please. Negative 5 minus negative 3. We get negative 3. So this means this number is supposed to be, what is this number? It's supposed to be 0.0018 what?
36.
36. Are you together, members?
Yes.
So therefore 0.031 times 0.00123 divided by
class is ongoing.
time 0.0802. We got what? 0. What? 0.01833 what?
6.
Can we prove our answer, members? Can we prove our answers? Members, can we prove? Now, what we are going to do, we are going to open a bracket. We are going to open a what?
Bracket.
So 0.031 time 0.00123, like that, okay? Close that bracket. Close that bracket. Have you closed it?
Yes.
Divide by, open another one.
Yes.
Open another bracket, 0.215, okay? Time 0.0802. Close that. Have you entered that? Have you entered that, members?
Yes.
Equals to.
Yes.
Equals to.
I made a mistake.
What have you got?
A different answer.
We are getting 2.211 exponent negative 3.
Yes.
It is supposed to give us 1 point. Supposed to give us 1 point. Where have we made mistake, members? Where have we made the mistake? Where have we made the mistake? Where have we made the mistake? Members?
Yes, teacher.
Have you seen where the mistake came from?
No. No.
Let's see. Did we press this one well? Because I'm seeing here, let's say shift anti-lock of 0.2638. It must be that. It must be that. So those are some of the errors you get, okay? Okay?
Yes.
But does not mean that your working is wrong. Does not mean that your working is wrong. That's the difference. Now, when you use logarithm, okay? Yes, yes. So, are we together, members?
No, teacher.
Yes.
it's possible for your answer to vary from
Slightly to vary, slightly. Okay?
Okay.
Slightly, like
Yes.
this one. Like this one is very slightly different, slightly different. Okay?
Yes.
And that's how sometimes that's how I get, whether you have used it, sometimes if you use a calculator, because I know some values when you put them, cannot give you the exact value when you use logarithm because of some of the errors. Okay?
Yes.
And the error is from the table. The error is from the table when you're using the log table or when you're using a calculator. Okay?
Yes.
But does not tell you your answer is wrong. But the error must be very small, very small. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, someone was having a question. Someone wanted to ask something. Yes? Members?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah.
I think there's a difference in their answer here. I think they are working here.
Yes.
We have different values. We have different what? Values. I think we did not, but ours is correct. Ours is what?
Correct.
Correct. Because for them, they have put here 0.0312. First, we have just put 0.03 what?
3-1.
Are you seeing that?
Yes.
That's why they got the other value. That's why they got 2 point. Okay?
Yes.
That's why I've seen. That's why the mistake is coming from. All right. Which number should we look at? Let's look at which number again? Let's do number 10. Number 10, we have few minutes remaining. Let's look at number, let's see which number.
Number 7.
7.
Number 7, yes, number 7. Let's do question number 7. Do you have any lesson coming up?
Yes.
Which lesson?
We don't.
Do you have any lesson at 3:20?
We don't.
No?
Maybe we can extend in case, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
We can extend. After this, we can join back, okay?
Yes.
So that we finish
Yes.
this part. Number 2, the question is number 7. We have 2.61 over 4.83 times 0.11 times 7.92. That's what we have. Evaluate using logarithm. Using what?
Logarithm.
Let's work it out. Members, when you look at our numerator, we have only one number, not so?
Yes.
Which means much of the work is going to be where? In the
Denominator.
Denominator.
So let's draw our table. Members?
Yes.
I said after this, in case we are cut off, let's join back and we finish this, okay?
Yes. Okay.
Our first number there is what? 2.61. So what is 2.61 in standard form? Is going to be 2.61 times 10 to the power 0. So we shall have 0 log of what? 2.61 is going to be 4.16. Okay. Is there anything else? Is there anything else there, members? There was only one number in the denominator, not so? There was only one number in the denominator. So what do? We close that. We close what? So we just come and write it here. I extend it because that was the only one. So I come and write it here. 0.4166. I extend it there, okay? Now we go to denominator. We go to our denominator. Our denominator, the first one we have is what? 4.83. So this one is 4.83 times 10 to the power what? 0. So it's going to be 0. Log of 4.83, which is 0.683 what? 39. The next one is what? The next one is 0.1. Who is that one having a lot of noise in the background? Mm-hmm. 0.11. What is this one in standard form? It's going to be 1.1 times 10 to the power negative what?
1.
Negative 1. So 1 bar. 1 what? Bar point. So log of 1.1. We get 0, 4, 1, 4. 1 what? 1, 4. What's the next number? The next number is what? 7.92. 7.92. Okay? So we shall have 7.92 times 10 to the power what? 0. So this will be 0. What is log? Log of 7.92. What do you get? You get 8, 9, 8, 7. Not so, members?
Yes.
Is that another number? We have, that is all, right?
Yes.
So let me extend my table a bit. Let me extend because there's more work coming. More work is coming down here. Let me extend it. There. I close this like this. Like that. Okay? Members, in a denominator, we are multiplying. We are what?
Multiplying.
So what are we supposed to do to the logarithm? We are supposed to
add.
So let's start adding. So we have 9 plus 4 plus 7. What do you get? So 9 plus 4, we get 13. Not so? 13 plus 7, 13 plus 7, we get 20. So we write 0, we carried what? We carried 2. So 2 plus 3, we get 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 6 plus 8?
14.
14. We write 4, we carry 1. So this is 9. 9 plus 4?